This is a very vintage old wagon. As you can see, tires are flat, worn out, torn out. This tire right here is stuck. It does not roll. Might be needing greasing. It's been sitting for almost 10 years in the same spot, so it is quite a bit, collecting some rust. Just moved there right now so I can take a better view. Look at those stands. Giving them some time to get away from it before I spray some water and soap so I can clean it. It's about 3 feet by 2 feet. Overall, maybe 6 feet. Will be a good restoration project. Anybody interested, let me know.